What about red meat?
What about fruit?
What about fat?
What about carbs?
Run it through the lab. Welcome to the Nutragrammatron lab. Today's subject is carrots. Carrots are usually seen as one of the healthiest foods you can eat, but when you actually break them down, the structure tells a more specific story. Let's run it through the lab. Per 100 grams, protein comes in at 0.93 grams. Carbohydrates at 9.6 grams, with 2.8 grams of fiber. Fat is almost non-existent at 0.24 grams. And sodium sits at 69 milligrams. Now, into the 5 sub-indices. The macrogram index comes in at 10 out of 20. Low protein holds this back heavily. There's just not enough structure support from a macronutrient standpoint. The microgram index score is strong at 16 out of 20. This is driven primarily by vitamin A at about 93% of your daily value, with vitamin K contributing around 11% of your daily value. The fibrogram index score is 5 out of 20. Fiber is present, but not high enough to make a major impact relative to the energy that you're consuming. The sodiogram index score is very strong at 18 out of 20. Sodium is low, which helps keep this score elevated. The glycogram index score comes in strong at 18 out of 20. Despite being carbohydrate heavy, the structure remains relatively stable overall. That brings the final Nutragrammatron score for carrots to 67. This places this subject in the moderate tier classification. Now here's where carrots actually bring their value. That extremely high vitamin A content, mostly in the form of beta-carotene, plays a major role in vision, especially low light vision, and also supports immune function and skin health. Vitamin K contributes to proper blood clotting and helps regulate calcium in the body, which ties into bone health. You also get a modest amount of fiber, which supports digestion and gut health, even if it's not dominant here. So while carrots aren't a complete food structurally speaking, they are very effective at delivering specific micronutrients that the body relies on for vision, immunity, and basic physiological function. Classification complete.